In this lesson, we'll look at the different tools available to working with SQL Server. First, we'll look at SQL Server Data Tools, SSDT, and then we'll look at SQL Command, the command line interface for SQL Server. SQL Server Data Tools, or SSDT, is the primary graphical user interface available for working with SQL Server. Now, it provides use for both administration and for development. Previous versions or previous tools used to work with SQL Server, such as SQL Server Management Studio, Query Analyzer, Enterprise Manager. Well, these weren't, or if they were related, such as in Management Studio, they were probably second cousins. Now, SQL Server Data Tools is a full-fledged relative to Visual Studio. It gives the same look and feel and much of the functionality. You're able to connect to all editions of SQL, including SQL Express, Enterprise, and even Azure, cloud-based. SQL Server Data Tools includes a number of different features, including IntelliSense, first introduced in SQL Server 2008. It also allows you to natively debug T-SQL statements within the interface. This would be previously done either within Visual Studio or within Management Studio. However, the debugging has been greatly improved. It has improved scripting capabilities, and it provides both project and solution-based scripting. For any developer that's worked with Visual Studio, you're familiar with project and solutions within Visual Studio, whether it be C# or Visual Basic. Now, SQL Server Data Tools uses the SQL native client. This may seem like a small detail. However, SQL Server native client provides the ability to use features and functionality that is not available utilizing OLEDB ODBC, such as native XML. Only SQL native client, only SQL native client will return native XML with the query results. OLEDB and ODBC will not. And a demonstration of this will be provided later.